Hi everybody, it's Annika from Currajong Property Services here. Today I'm at Unit 4 at 49 Punari Street in Currajong, and I'm going to be taking you through a walkthrough tour of the property. As we enter here, we have the kitchen area as well as the living and dining area. As you can see, there is another entry and exit point which opens up into the yard and back towards the main entry. In these cupboards is where you will find the laundry space. Heading in here to bedroom number 1. As you can see, has built-in wardrobe as well as air conditioning. And bedroom number 2. And finally here we have the bathroom of the property. So that is it for this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Thank you.